Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word handstand. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She impressed everyone with her flawless handstand during the gymnastics competition. A handstand is a physical position in which a person balances upside down on their hands with their body in a straight line, often performed in gymnastics. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.